Grass Season 1 ng 61.29 and ito ngayon yung value niya ng isang grass, 1.11 USD. So nakuha tayo ng total of $68. And what's good about this mga dongs no is hindi doon nagtatapos sa kanilang Season 1 because pwede na rin tayo mag-grind for the Season 2. Okay, so andito po tayo ngayon sa ating Grass dashboard and as you can see under earnings no, meron na tayong 115.50k na earnings sa ating Epoch 1. And if you notice, merong bago dito etong store which introduces us dito sa Grass desktop node. And what's good about this desktop node is that it provides times 2 ng ating earnings from the traditional extension na originally naman talagang ginawa natin dito sa Grass. However, if you want to multiply it by 2, then download their Grass desktop node. Once installed, ganito po yung magiging itsura ng kanilang desktop node or desktop software. You just have to keep on running this on the background. Kahit na-ex na po yan, mag-run po yan on background. And you don't have to worry, no? Kasi I've been running this software nila